How to set up international shipping on Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up international shipping on Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account and head to your store's admin page. Then, at the bottom left of the screen, click Settings. Then from there, select Shipping and Delivery. Now, you will need to create a new shipping profile. Click Create Custom Profile. This allows you to manage different shipping conditions and rates. Next, add a shipping zone. And give your zone a clear name to stay organized. Now, choose the specific countries you want to include in the shipping zone. Shopify offers a full list. Select the ones you want and click Done. After that, it's time to set your shipping rates. Click Add Rate. You can either set a flat rate or use a carrier or shipping app for real-time calculated rates. Flat rates are simple and consistent, while carrier rates can give you more accurate real-time pricing. After you choose your method, name your shipping rate something simple like Standard International or Express Global and set your price. Finally, click Done and save your settings. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.